In the beginning, man has always wanted to create things bigger and better. So we invented the mill. But we humans were not satisfied with just the mere manual mill, so we invented the CNC. But was it really better? Was it really bigger? Today we explore the differences and advantages of the manual versus CNC mills. Only time will tell which one truly is a champion of milling. We decided to explore for ourselves which one truly is the best. We began by interviewing Professor Eric McKell, who was an expert in machining methodology. He explained to us what exactly is a CNC mill.
Well, CNC machine, first off, CNC stands for computer numerical control, which means it's a machine that is controlled by a program that's loaded onto the machine, and the program tells the machine where the tool needs to go. So instead of a manual machine where the operator moves the handles to move the tool, a programmer programs the machine to tell the machine where to move the tool to automatically. So that's the basic difference between the two. Manual machine, you can't make complex shapes very easily. You think about an Etch-a-Sketch, if you've ever seen the toy Etch-a-Sketch where you try and draw a curve or a angled line. It's two handles. A manual machine, that's what you'd have to do to make a curve or an angled line. You'd have to run two handles at once. CNC machines, we tell it where to go, the tool goes there, and so we can do complex curves, complex shapes, surfaces that you can't do on a manual machine.
To demonstrate these, we made two samples, one from the manual mill and the other from the CNC mill. In token of our BYU spirit, we gave pilgrimage to our beloved Y Mountain. The manual required minimal prep time. We sketched it out and proceeded to etch it out like a giant Etch-a-Sketch. This took us about 30 minutes to create. The final result has its own style and niche of art. We forged ahead. Through our trials and tribulations, undaunted by our previous failure, to create a brand new sign using a CNC milling machine. This process required more preparation due to its programming beforehand. This took more than an hour. The drilling time, however, took about 10 minutes. The result looked like a beautiful newborn baby sign. While we recognize that the CNC is the best in its class, the manual mill is more effective in some instances. This is due to its capabilities and lower quantities to complete tasks in a shorter amount of time and for a lower cost. The CNC requires less manual work, but if your programming is off, your product will not turn out as planned and you will have wasted both your time and money. We have more room for human error to make mistakes on the manual machine. However, on the manual machine, the project may begin immediately with minimal planning beforehand. As we can see, there are benefits to using both of these machines. So, when you begin your next project, don't forget to take into account the practicality of both of these beautiful machines.
C.H.I.N.A. C.H.I.N.A. Incorporated.
Creating happiness in North America.